What is going on, you guys? So as you can see from the title, this is something a little different than you're probably used to on this channel, so you have to leave some feedback on what you think of this type of content, as I'm trying to branch out to more than just some Subaru WRX content when possible. So this truck is a 2011 Ford F250 6.7 liter Power Stroke, and there have been a lot of check engine lights that have just been popping up that are exhaust related or caused from the exhaust. So how do we solve this? Fixing the real problem? Nah. We just straight pipe the bad boy and take all those sensors out. A lot of this video is taken in sort of this tripod camera mode, so I'm hoping that I can use these diagrams that I made to help any of you trying to recreate this, and the time lapse can stay in the background for those of you interested. So to unhook the old exhaust from the truck, which might I mention weighs something like 250 pounds, we only need to take a couple bolts out, unhook some sensors, and then slide it off the hanger. So unbolting isn't too bad, just 2 bolts in the front and then 3 bolts in the back. All 3 of the bolts in the back broke off from rust being here in PA, but nothing that some replacement bolts can't fix. Now the sensors can either be super stubborn or super easy. I noticed that some could just get ripped out with a yank and others needed a flathead screwdriver to help pry it out of the connection point, but it doesn't entirely matter how they come out because we won't be needing them anymore unless maybe you want to put this old exhaust back on at some time in the future. With the bolts out and sensors disconnected, all that's left is to slide it off the hangers, which was the absolute hardest part, until we realized that jacking up the exhaust helped to free it from the hangers, and for the more stubborn ones, a crowbar was the perfect tool to persuade the hangers to come off. Now it's time for the easy part. The new straight pipe comes in 2 pieces, one from the down pipe and the other replacing the huge section of the mid pipe. These 2 pieces slide together and are held by a single clamp, and the other sides just bolt right up to the flanges of the remaining exhaust portions. It's a super nice and lightweight straight pipe that gets rid of the sensors that were causing problems before and gives some added benefits as well. There is also a tuner installed into the truck now to help with adjusting the tune parameters for putting this exhaust in and being able to fully generate the most horsepower from just doing this mod. Now the moment that you have all been waiting for, some revs and a drive with this new straight pipe. Holy crap! Oh my god. It sounds pretty sweet, right? It's amazing how much more you can hear the turbo whistle too with it now. Next, we are going to take it for a drive and show you how it sounds. I saw a little bit coming up. I don't think there's any smoke that time. That's good. Getting 8.4. It spit out a tiny bit. Yeah, it's not bad at all. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and you can tell me if this type of content is something that you'd like to see on the channel with dropping a like and hitting the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you like the new sound of the truck as much as I do. That being said though, that's all that I got for you guys in this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.